Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy blessed Saturday. Happy blessed weekend. Breakfast tayo ng coin parata. Tapos nagluto din ako ng lentil. Ayan, tawag nila adas. Then itong karak. Hindi talaga mawawala ang karak. Ayan. Meron pa dito. Diba? Cute-cute ng ko. So, ayan. Breakfast tayo. Medyo mainit pa tong itong lentil. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. This is Amida 142. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Happy blessed Saturday.